Hi everybody, this is Bill from C&B Gardening Plus. Today I'm going to show you a little trick on how to keep the algae down in your pond. First of all, we have some aerators. You always want some oxygen in your farm pond. And then we use some dye. The dye we're going to use today is called Aquashade. And all we're going to do is take this dye and dump it into the pond. I'm not going to use all of it, maybe half of it for a pond this size. Could probably use less, but I like it really blue. So what's going to happen is this aerator is going to mix all this and turn it bright blue. It keeps the sun from penetrating. It keeps the weed and algae growth down. Okay, now we have our Aquashade pond dye in, and if you can see, it's spreading itself very well. See how the aerators are pulling it out, circulating it, and you can see the line as the water turns blue. And that will help to keep the pond looking fresh for hopefully months to come. Talk to you soon.
It's May 1st, so it's time to start thinking about our winter squash, what varieties we're going to try this year. Also, cucumbers, our bush beans, which we always do, the Blue Lake. I save my seeds every single year, so that's a tried and true for me. And we've got 3 different varieties of corn we're going to try this year. Now these I'm going to direct sow. I do not pre-start the beans or my corn. Those will go directly in the ground. And I will not put those in for about another 2 weeks. We're going to do a couple different sweet corns. And I'm doing a strawberry popcorn this year. I'm giving that a try. So let's talk about our pickles. These 2 are new. I'm going to try them. They're both pickling cucumbers because we love our refrigerator pickles around here. And we also do can so that we have plenty on the shelf during the winter months. Zucchini. We like to make zucchini bread, so we're definitely going to get a couple of these. Now, some of these I'm going to pre-start, and I'll walk you through that with me. But also, we will be doing direct sowing some of these things as well. So let's look at our winter squashes. And when I say winter squashes, these are the squashes that will pull us through the winter. And they'll last on the shelf as long as you keep them in a nice, cool, dry area. And we are going to try a Seminole pumpkin this year. Finally going to try that Long Island chess. Tried and true. We love the spaghetti squash around here. This is a new variety, red curry. And then, of course, we've got our bush type acorn squash, and then I've got a vining acorn squash, as well as our delicata. Oh, sorry, this is the delicata, and our sweet dumpling. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting these all in. And then once I get out in the garden this weekend, we'll do some direct sowing of quite a few of these. Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. We're out in the garden today, and the time has come, May 4th. And we seeded this bucket back in the second or third week of March. Look at all this Mizuna. It's ready for me to start using it. So we're gonna come out here and we're gonna do a little clipping of that. Also, the arugula is ready for me to start clipping on her. And the butter crunch is coming along great. So pretty soon, no more store-bought lettuce for us. I'll pull a few bits of this kale, and this is the one that overwintered. Look at that seed head coming on. And this is going to be my seed saver this year to carry us into next year. She's a pretty strong girl. That's why I want her babies. But everything else is looking pretty good. Broccoli Rob's coming along pretty good. And I see we had some critters. We had some squirrels get in here. But that's all right. That's why we grow a ton. That's all I see coming in right now. All the baby seedlings that we put in are coming along great. Everything's looking really good. Take a peek at our strawberry tower. They're all starting to pop in really good. We even got some flowers. The lettuce transplants are coming along good. This is red Merlot, green Tango. If anybody wants to know where I got those seeds at, the original ones I got from M.I. Gardner, and they're out of Michigan. Same thing with this mint romaine. And then from here on out, we save our own seeds. So don't be afraid to try new varieties. I do all the time. If you like it, let it grow out and save the seeds. This is our endive. She's coming along excellent. So just a quick view. Rain's coming in, which is good because we need rain. But other than that, just a small update. It's Sunday Fun Day. Also, family dinner time. We're doing some roasted pork chops, some homemade biscuits. I'm frying those all up. Gonna stick them in the oven, and we're gonna enjoy a nice meal.